So once you understand your data constraints, it's really important to understand what type of project that you'll be undertaking. And so with all of the projects that we've done over the years, we found that they really fall into three categories. So if you're on say you're on Umbraco today, and you're considering, maybe you're hosting at Rackspace, you're hosting internally at your office, and you're considering a migration to Umbraco Cloud, that's one type of project. You're not redesigning it, same functionality, same version, same everything. We often call that lifting and shifting from one environment to another. That is the least risky project, will take the least amount of time, and you'll see ROI the fastest, okay? The next type of project, which is unbelievably common, is that organizations might be on a current platform, let's just say it's WordPress, and you'd like to migrate to Umbraco Cloud. You're not redesigning anything, you're rebuilding all the same functionality you have today, but you're migrating from WordPress to Umbraco Cloud. And lastly, the largest of the three types of projects would be, hey, we're doing a redesign. We're also moving from one platform to Umbraco Cloud. So let's say you're moving from Sitecore to Umbraco Cloud, and you want to do a website redesign along with that process. This is not a complicated process. You just have to plan for the fact that it's going to take more time. It's going to take more stakeholder buy-in. It's going to take more stakeholder feedback, those types of things. And so normally one of those three project types are what your migration will be. And before we move on, there's one small thing I did want to mention, is that if you are hearing in your project plan that we want to, say, adopt a new platform, so from WordPress to Umbraco Cloud, and we want to do a light redesign or a reskin, I have never come across the project where that ended up being true. Once you start changing the design of a website, it snowballs pretty quickly and it turns into more of a full redesign. So I guess what I'm saying here is, if you hear those words in your project plan, then I would plan for a project that's probably much larger than you're anticipating, more expensive, and something that will take more time than you originally planned for.